Hey Smarter Vets, CJ Burnett here today to give you another frequently asked question. And today's question is one that we get asked a lot, especially in the investment meeting, and that is, what exactly is a stock? So a stock is effectively, and there's another word for it, equity. When they're talking about equities, they're talking about stocks. Stocks are basically individual pieces of ownership inside of a company. Like if you go to Google right now, you type in AAPL, it'll pull up Apple stock, the price of one share, because there's many shares out there, price of one share of ownership of stock in Apple. Now how that ultimately plays in, like when it comes to investing, like I just did the last FAQ that I did last Friday was specifically on what should you invest in, right? When people ask me that question, today's question is really kind of a piggyback to that, because a lot of people say, well, what are stocks, right? I hear a lot about stocks. They're in my 401k, they're in my liquid investment account. I have friends that buy and trade them all the time. And so what exactly is a stock? It's that simple. It's just ownership in a company, right? When you buy it, you're buying a piece of ownership knowing or hoping, they're hoping that in the future you will get rewarded for buying that share, that stock, by two things. One, future profits that the company makes, they may issue in the form of a dividend, right? That's the first way that you can accumulate wealth from investing in a stock. And the second way is you're hoping that that company makes more and more money, so the value of that stock goes up and other people are willing to pay more money for that stock from you at some point in the future. So if you're still kind of navigating the investment world, not really sure where to start, there's a link attached to this post. Find the link, go to that video. There's a whole thing where I talk about rules of investing and boundaries, different approaches to investing. So hopefully that'll give you some context into what you should do next when it comes to investing your money that you're saving. This is CJ Burnett. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you next time.